Hi there, welcome to Mentorage for Google Sheets Beginner Series. Let's start with Introduction to Google Sheets. Have you ever wanted to organize data, analyze expenses, manage records, create reports, and track it from anywhere for free, but didn't know where to start? In this beginner-friendly Google Sheet series, I will teach you everything from absolute basics to creating useful spreadsheets with formulas. Series goal. In this series, you will learn what Google Sheet is, how to access it for free, how Google Drive stores your files, how to create folders and organize your work, and finally, how to navigate the Google Sheets interface. Getting started with Google Sheets, Google Drive, and understanding the interface. Google Sheet is a free spreadsheet application provided by Google. Think of it as a digital notebook made of rows and columns where you can store information, perform calculations, track expenses, manage inventory, and analyze data. The biggest advantage of Google Sheet over Excel is that it's completely cloud-based. This means your files are saved automatically. You can access them from anywhere. You can share them easily with others. Multiple people can work on the same files simultaneously. Requirements to use Google Sheets. To use Google Sheets, you only need a Google account. If you don't have one, simply create a Gmail account before continuing. How to open Google Sheets. Open your Google browser and type sheets.google.com. This will take you directly to Google Sheets. Here it is. Method 2. You can also access Google Sheets through Google Apps. Open your browser or Gmail. Click Google Apps icon. Select Sheets. Method 3. Another option is through Google Drive, which we will learn next. Understanding Google Drive. Google Drive is like a cloud storage cabinet. Every Google Sheet, Google Doc, or Google Slide you create is stored inside Google Drive. As your computer has folders and files, same as Google Drive works, but online. Creating folders in Google Drive. Before creating spreadsheets, it's a good habit to organize your files. Click New, select Folder, New Folder, name it Google Sheet Course. Creating a new Google Sheet. Inside Google Drive, right click, Google Sheets, blank sheet. Method 2. From home page, new, Google Sheets, blank spreadsheet. When a new spreadsheet opens, it is automatically saved in Google Drive. Renaming files. By default, Google names your file Untitled Spreadsheet. You can rename it by clicking here. Always use meaningful names so you can find files easily later. Moving files into folders. Let's keep our work organized. Click Move icon, select Folder, move File. Move selected file into folder. Now all your spreadsheets can stay organized in one place. Understanding the Google Sheets interface. Main areas of Google Sheets are menu bar and the toolbar. Menu bar containing file menus, edit, view, insert, format, data, tool, extension, and help menus. The menu bar contains advanced options for managing your spreadsheet. Below the menu bar is the toolbar for search, undo, redo, font size, text color, alignment, borders, etc. For more detailed understanding of a spreadsheet, visit Excel tutorial for beginners 1.1 Basic of Spreadsheet. Fast data entry. Create a table. Heading name, age, and city. In name range, write Ali, age 22, city LA. In row second, write name Sarah, age 23, city NYK. Congratulations, you have just entered your first data into Google Sheets. Summary. In today's lesson, you learned what Google Sheet is, how to access it, how Google Drive stores files, how to create folders, how to organize spreadsheets, how to create and rename files, how to navigate the Google Sheets interface, and how to enter your first data. In the next lesson, you will learn how rows, columns, cells, and cell references work, along with efficient data entry techniques used by professionals. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe to Mentor Edge. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.